Hello students, welcome to part 2 of the topic profit and loss. So in part 1 we have seen different formulas to calculate profit and losses as well as profit and losses in percentage, and we have seen 5 types. Okay, now in this lesson we are going to see different solve examples so that the formulas which we have seen in part 1, all those formulas will be clear to you. So without wasting time, let us begin today's lesson. And if you have not seen my previous video, that is the part 1 of this topic, then the link is given mentioned in the description box, and you can simply go to that link. And before watching this video, please do the part 1 of this. So yes, right. So first problem, by selling a watch for rupees 495, a shopkeeper incurs a loss of 10%. Find the cost price of the watch for the shopkeeper. Okay, so options are given, that is 545, rupees 550, 555, and none of this. So what is selling price here? 495. 495. What is loss percentage? 10%. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the cost price of the watch, that is CP. So we know formula to calculate CP if SP and loss percentage is given. See, when there will be a loss कब होने वाला है, नुकसान कब होने वाला है? When selling price is less as compared to cost price. That means cost price क्या होनी चाहिए? बड़ी होनी चाहिए as compared to selling price. So that's why formula will be CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So CP is equal to 100 upon 100 minus 10 into 495. See, if you see this term, numerator is more as compared to denominator. So because of this, CP will be higher as compared to 495. So 100 upon 90 into 495. So CP will be equal to what? 550. So what will be the right answer? Right answer will be option number B, that is rupees 550. Okay. Now let us see example number 2. A shopkeeper sold good for rupees 2400 and made a profit of 25% in this process. Find his profit percent if he had sold his good for rupees 2040. Options are 6.25%, 7%, 6.20%, 6.5%. See here. Read the first statement. A shopkeeper sold good for rupees 2400, made a profit of 25% in the process. See, profit is given, then selling price SP is given. Can you calculate CP? Yes, you can calculate. So first calculate CP. How you can calculate CP? CP is equal to 100 upon 100 plus gain percentage into SP, which is equal to 100 upon 100 plus what is gain percentage? 25 into 2400. So 100 upon 125 into 2400. So what will be cost price? Cost price will be is equal to 1920 rupees. What will be cost price? See, it will be less. Why it will be less? Why cost price will be less? Because there is what? Gain to the shopkeeper. And when there will be gain? When selling price is more. What is selling price? 2400. And what you are getting cost price? 1920. Now next is find his profit if he had sold his good for rupees 2040. Now if he is selling that good at 2040, see at what cost he has purchased? 1920. At what cost he is selling 2040. So what will be profit here? 2040 minus 1920. It will be 120. Why there is profit? Because selling price is more as compared to cost price. So that's why there will be profit. And how you can calculate profit percentage? Profit divided by selling price. Sorry, profit divided by CP, that is cost price, into 100. Okay, always in the denominator there will be CP. So 120 divided by 1920 into 100. So if you do this calculation, you will get 6.25. So what will be answer? Answer will be option number A, that is 6.25 percentage. Okay, so very simple, and problems are there which are based on basic formulas. Next, problem number 3. A shopkeeper bought a shopkeeper bought 240 chocolates at rupees 9 per dozen. So shopkeeper, he bought 240 chocolates at rupees 9 per dozen. If he sold all of them at rupees 1 each, what was his profit percentage? First thing, have you understood the problem? If not, again we will read it. So there is one shopkeeper who bought 240 chocolate at rupees 9 per dozen. That means dozen. In a dozen, how many chocolates will be there? 12. So 12 chocolates for rupees 9. So in that fashion, he has bought how many chocolates? 240 chocolates. That means how much dozens he has bought the chocolates? 240 divided by 12. It will be how much? 20 dozens. So he has bought 20 dozens of chocolates, and he is selling all of them at rupees 1 each. You have to find out profit percent. So what is cost price of 12 chocolate? Rupees 9. Is it right? Cost price of 12 chocolates, rupees 9 per dozen. So 12 chocolates for rupees 9. So one chocolate for 0.75 rupees. 9 divided by 12. Now, what is selling price? He is selling all of them at rupees 9, at rupees what? 1 each. So selling price is rupees 1. So what will be profit? 1 minus 0.75, which is equal to 0.25 rupees. So if you know the profit, you can calculate profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. So 0.25 divided by 0.75 into 100, it will be 33.3. So what will be option? Option will be option number 2, that is B, 33.3. So 1 by 3 will be 0.3. Okay, so very simple. Only you have to calculate a cost price of one chocolate. Why we are calculating cost price of one chocolate? Because selling price of one chocolate is given to you. Okay, next. A cost price of shirt and trouser is rupees 371. If shirt cost 12% more than the trouser, find the cost price of trouser. Options are 125, 150, 175, 200. So let CP, cost price of trouser, be X. Now, how you can calculate CP of shirt? It is 12% more. So it will be 112 X upon 100. How you are getting this? X plus 12X upon 100. So it will be 112X upon 100. Now, what is the cost price of shirt and trouser? Total cost rupees 371. So can we say X plus 112X upon 100 is equal to 371? Is this equation right? Yes, because we have given the total cost of shirt and trouser. So just solve this equation and find out X. So if you do the cross multiplication, 100x plus 112x, so it will be 212x upon 100 is equal to 371. X will be equal to 175. Okay, do this calculation. X will be equal to 175. What is X? CP of the trouser. What is asked? What is the price of trouser? So we know the answer, 175. So option number C. Okay, simple numerical is there. Okay, nothing hi-fi thing is asked. Simple thing. So first read the example carefully. Okay, assume the CP of trouser, calculate the CP of shirt, and the total cost is given to you. So from that you can calculate the unknown. Next, a dozen pairs of gloves quoted at rupees 80 are available at a discount of 10%. A dozen pair of gloves quoted at rupees 80 are available at a discount of 10%. So this is a problem based on discount. Find how many pairs of gloves can be bought for rupees 24. Options are 4, 5, 6, 8. Now 12 pairs of gloves. See here, 12 pairs of gloves cost how much? Rupees 80, which are available at 10% discount. That means, can you calculate a cost of 12 pairs of gloves? So there is a discount of 10%. That means whatever price is there, 90% of that will be the cost. As there is 10% of discount, so the cost will be 90% of the given thing. So 90% of 80, so 80 into 90 upon 100, it will be 72. Okay, 9 into 8, 72. Right, so 12 pairs of gloves, it cost how much? Rupees 72. So in rupees 72, 12 pairs can be 12 pairs are available. So in rupees 1, 12 by 72 pairs will be available. It is obvious. So what we have to calculate, how many pairs of gloves can be bought for rupees 24? So in rupees 24, 24 into 12 by 72. So it will be 4 pairs. Okay, simple example is there. So what will be the answer? Answer will be option number A, that is 4 pairs. Okay, then next. Anil bought an article at rupees 200 and sold it at a profit of 10%. What would have been the increase in the profit percent if it was sold for rupees 230? Okay, see here, Anil bought an article for rupees 200. He sold it at rupees 10%. Okay, now what would have been increase in the profit percent if he is selling that article at rupees 230? See how to calculate. Amount of profit when article is sold at a profit of 10%. How you can calculate? 20 into 10 by 100. Is it right? It is obvious. At See, he is buying that article at 200, getting a profit of 10%. That means amount of profit will be 20 rupees 20. It is obvious. Now, amount of profit when article is sold as 230. Amount of profit when article is sold at 230. At what he is buying that article? 200. At what he is selling that article? 230. So profit will be rupees 30. So what will be increase in profit percentage? Now it is 30. Initially it was 20. So 30 minus 20 divided by what is cost price? 200 into 100. Okay, again in the denominator it is what? CP. So 30 minus 20, it is 10. 10 divided by 200 into 100. So it is what? 5%. Okay, next. A dealer sold two TV sets for rupees 2400 each, gaining 20% on one and losing 20% on the other. Find a net gain or net loss. Okay, now see here, a dealer sold 2 TV sets. So what is selling price of 2 TV sets? Each TV set, it costs what? How much? 2400. So for 2 TV sets, it will be 4800. Okay. Now on one TV set, there is 20% gain. So what will be CP? What will be CP for that? 100 upon 100 plus percentage gain. 100 upon 120 into 2400. So CP will be 2000. Right? Now, another TV set. It is what? It is he's selling it at a what? 20% loss. So CP will be what? 100 upon 100 minus percentage loss. So 100 upon 100 minus 20, it is 80 into 2400. So in that, cost price will be 3000. Is it right? So can you calculate total CP? 2000 on first, 3000 on second. So total CP, it will be 5000. So what will be net loss? Total CP minus total SP. So 5000 minus 4800, it will be 200. So there will be a net loss. Why loss? Because cost price is more as compared to selling price. So your answer will be option number B. That is 200 rupees 200 loss. Okay. See what you are calculating here. You are calculating total cost price, and we know the total selling price. Okay, so you can calculate loss. The nothing percentage loss is not asked. Okay, so simply loss is asked. Next, now a trader purchases apple at rupees 60 per 100. He spends 15% on the transportation. What should be selling price per 100 to earn a profit of 20%? So there is one trader who purchased apple at rupees 60 per 100. That means 100 apples for rupees 60. He spends 15% on transportation. So what is 15% of 60? That we have to calculate. That value you have to add in the cost price. See what will be total cost price. Total cost price will be how much? How you can calculate total cost price? It will be 60 and 15% on transportation. So 15% of 60, it will be 69. 60 plus this term 9, it will be how much? 9. So it will be 69 rupees. Right? Now, selling price per 100 apples to earn a profit of 20%. Selling price per 100 apples to earn a profit of 20%. Okay, how you can calculate? 69 is the cost price plus 69 into 20. See, 20% of profit. So 20% of 69, that should be added. So it will be what? 82. So when he is selling an apple for rupees 82 per 100, at what price he has purchased it? At rupees 60 per 100. At what price he is selling it? 82%. So if you calculate a profit percentage, it will be 20%. Okay, so instead of profit percentage is given to you, and now you have to calculate a selling price. Okay, so hope this problem is clear to you. See, cost of 100 apples after transportation we are calculating. That is rupees 69. Right? So at rupees 69 is the total cost price for 100 apples. Now, if you want to earn a profit of 20%, then what will be selling price? He should sell at rupees 82. Then and then only he will get a profit of 20%. Okay. So hope this problem is clear to you. So this is from all my side. Okay. So hope the problems are clear to you. So you can do some practice so that this topic will be clear to you. This is very important topic. So remember all the formulas, right, of all the top 5 and this 8 example. That will be more than sufficient. So hope you have liked my videos, and if you are liking it, please do share and comment below the video. And also don't forget to share with your friends so that they will also get benefited. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please do it and hit the notification bell. So with this, we are concluding a profit and loss session here, and we will meet with the new topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.